the video. So today I will talk about how Windows 10 basically works. So let's say you just download Windows 10, I don't know how to use it. So first of all, what you need to do is go to the start menu, type in, just click on it. So here, type here to search. To type here to search is basically similar with all the Windows we have, 7, 8 or Windows 10. So here in this case in Windows 10, at the top you will see most used apps that I already used in this computer, and if you scroll down you will see all the apps that is installed in this window. And if you go to the left corner, it says the power button. So the power button is also similar with Windows 7, Windows 8 or Windows 10. They all have sleep, shutdown, restart buttons. So one other cool thing you can do in these apps, like you can log in using your username and pretty much use the laptop using your username. So on that button you can see settings. So in the setting mode you can do tons of works. So you have system. So in the system thing you can increase the brightness or decrease the brightness as you like. So let's go back, and here you can also have a lot of apps that you can change into. So another cool thing you can do with Windows 10 is let's say you can change the color of this whole item, so whole icon. So the way you can do it is just right click and go to personalize, and once you're in this personalize, just go to theme, go to color, go down, scroll down, and in this right now I have it in blue, so the whole thing is on blue. So you can change to any color you like. So I just say it yellow, so everything will turn into yellow. So as you can see, the app's icon turned from blue to yellow, and everything is now yellow. And you can customize the color as well. You can choose green, everything will be green. So this is the cool feature, like you don't need to use the same kind of color for a long time, and if you get tired of it you can always change it. And another thing to show you is, let's say you use Zoom pretty often, so you can just drag that and place it on your desktop as a shortcut. So you don't need to type in, you don't need to go back to the start menu and type in the Zoom again and again. If you use it often, just drag it to your desktop and leave it here. So, and you can use it every time you want. So if you like the video, that's pretty much it. If you like the video, please give thumbs up and see you in the next video. Take care.